Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 2 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of x plus 1. So, our goal is to find the value of x. So for my solution, my equation is 2 to the power of x minus 1 equals 3 to the power of x plus 1. So I'm going to first start by taking the log on both sides. So I get log 2 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to log 3 to the power of x plus 1. Now, if I have something in the form log of a to the power of b, I can move this exponent of b to the front. So this turns into b times log a. In this case, I have log 2 to the power of x minus 1, and I can move x minus 1 to the front. So I get x minus 1 times log 2. And I can do the same for log 3 to the power of x plus 1. So I can move x plus 1 to the front, so I get x plus 1 times log 3. Now from here, I'm going to distribute log 2 on my left-hand side and distribute log 3 on my right-hand side. So log 2 times x is x log 2, and negative 1 times log 2 is negative log 2. Now x times log 3 is x log 3, and 1 times log 3 is just log 3. For my left-hand side, I can factor out log 2, so I get log 2 times x minus 1, and for my right-hand side, I can factor out log 3. And this is just making sure to check that I check that I distributed it right, and looks like I did because I get the same things. So, now that that's good, I'm going to subtract x times log 3 on both sides, and also add log 2 on both sides. So I'm doing this because now I can group all the terms that have x together and group the terms that don't have x together. So now I get x times log 2 minus x times log 3 is equal to log 2 plus log 3. So now from here, because these two terms have x in them, I can factor out x. So I get x times log 2 minus log 3 is equal to log 2 plus log 3. And now from here, I can divide both sides by log 2 minus log 3. So now these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 2 plus log 3 over log 2 minus log 3. Now all there's left to do is to plug in the values of log 3 and log 2. So log 3 is equal to 0.4771, and log 2 is equal to 0.301. So now I get x is equal to 0.301 plus 0.4771 over 0.301 minus 0.4771. So now this turns into 0.7781 over negative 0.1761. And if I divide these two numbers, I get x is equal to negative 4.4185. So this is my solution to this equation. If you liked the video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this to your friends and family. Thank you. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 5 to the power of x is equal to 50. So to solve this, I want to find the value of x. So to do that, I'm going to first start by taking the log on both sides. So I get log of 5 to the power of x is equal to log of 50. Now, if I have something in the form log of a to the power of b, I can move this exponent of b to the front, so this turns into b times log a. In this case, I have log 5 to the power of x, so I can move x to the front, so I get x times log 5 is equal to log 50. Now from here, I'm going to divide both sides by log 5. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 50 over log 5. Now I'm going to rewrite this as log of 10 times 5 over log of 5. And if I have something in the form log a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So this turns into x is equal to log of 10 plus log of 5, and I have this over log of 5. So now this is equal to log 10 over log 5 plus log 5 over log 5. So then this turned into 1 plus log 10 over log 5. Now log 10 is equal to 1, so I get x equals 1 plus 1 over log 5. And 1 over log 5 is equal to 1.4306. So I get x equals 1 plus 1.4306, which is 2.4306. So this is my answer.